In this video, I will explain how to use Auto Caption that are in CapCut. Let's start the project first. Create a project and then I import video that we're gonna make an example of. Then I pull here. This video using English language. Let's just shorten the video. We cut off by using this split. Clicked, then click the splitters. We right-click, we delete, select delete. I cut back, click. Then select split. Then I right-click in this section and then select delete. Let's just take a little bit of this. Then we select the text. Then we select Auto Caption. Because originally speaking English spoken language, we choose English. Bilingual caption into the language. For example, Germany. Generate. Then we wait a while to produce. Generate. Have already succeeded. But the text is not visible. 'Cause it's white, we change the text, which is that top part. That use English. English, yes. We block like this then. We select the text. Then in this part we can raise. The size is okay. Or it can be reduced. This font size can be pulled like this. Like that's me. Or you can just type. I just type it down. I made 6. Font size. Then to be seen. I choose this one. Well, it looks like it already is. Which is this top, that is English speaking. Which is the bottom. It's German speaking. I block, I try. Make him look. With his preset style I took this one. Well, this is the German speaking. Well, let's see. Well, now it's emerging German. If we want to beautify the text, we block that English, we try. Animate, select animation. Well, here are a lot of animations that we can use for this text. For example, like this. Well, like that, yeah. Well, we can also animate this one in Germans, we block like this, we animation. For example, using this one. Let's see the results. Well, that's the way, yeah. Hopefully tutorial this helps you guys. Thank you.